Oh my goodness. Wait. For the Minion Company. Wait. There is? I think it's interest for the company. Wait. Okay. There is mountain. Okay. Let's go. Supping with log of trade. It's already dead. Okay, let's go to the Minions. What's up, Minions? I think I crashed into the train, but what's up, Minions? Can you actually talk? You can actually? I'm right here, kid! Oh, shut up, job! You don't have a real job! Okay, now, wait. Something went wrong of a train. Oh, shoot! Thinking to crash? Thinking to crash? Oh, shoot!
Hi. Hi, Goo. How you doing? I'm Minions.